Hey guys, today I'm going to make some chicken breast and rice. So let's get crocking. I'm going to use Jasmine rice for this because I feel like it softens up a little better than some of the other types. Okay, and I'm going to add 1 cup of Jasmine rice. And on the bag it says add 1.5 cups of water, but in a slow cooker I usually add a little less, so I'm going to add 1.25 cups of water. Okay, I added my water. Then I've got a couple of boneless, skinless chicken breasts here. I already salted that side, so I'll put that side down like that. And then I'm going to season the other side with some kosher salt, top side. That looks pretty good. And then some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. This is real basic, but I'm going to add some barbecue sauce at the end. I'm going to cook this on high. I haven't tried cooking rice on low, so I'm not really sure how that would work. It's been 1 hour and 45 minutes, so I'm going to check on this. The rice looks like it's cooked. I'm going to check the internal temperature of the chicken to make sure it's at least 165 degrees. Perfect. That one's 165 right there. That one's just under it a little bit. Like I said, I was going to add some barbecue sauce, so I think I'll do that now. Just brush on a little of this barbecue sauce. That'll give it some color and some flavor. This is Kinder's Mild. This is a California company. I'm in crazy California. I'll let that cook for about 5 more minutes and then we'll try it out. Let's check it again. It's been about 2 hours total. Well, that looks good to me. Let me grab a plate and we'll try some out. The rice turned out good. Let's see what the inside of the chicken looks like here. I'll just cut this breast right in half. Alright. Let's see here. That looks pretty good to me. Cut a piece off here. And let's try a bite. That's good, nice and moist, and the barbecue sauce adds a lot to it. Annie woke up. You want to try it, Annie? I'm not a huge fan of chicken breast, but the sauce added a lot to that. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.